All other computer models except the MacBook for office use only. The Lenovo ThinkPad is the most expensive. This is probably due to its durability. Lenovo ThinkPad H1 Carbon Gen 11 is a model newly released in 2023 year. Its shape looks slim and show in nobility. Lenovo ThinkPad H1 Carbon Gen 11 comes equipped with a 13th generation Intel Core i7-1355U processor. It also has RAM 16GB LPDDR5.6400 on board not upgradable, and storage 512GB M.2 2280 ASD PCIe NVMe option, offering flexibility for multitasking. The laptop includes hypercool technology, which combines a dolphin cooling system, anti-dust cooling, and to keep the laptop temperature in check during demanding tasks. Lenovo ThinkPad H1 Carbon Gen 11 its screen looks opaque, but when we use it for a long time, it prevents our eyes from hurting. It comes with a display 14-inch Vaga 1920 by 1200 IPS. It has a nice keyboard with good travel, and its backlight is bright and does not bother our eyes. With a 57 Wh battery for cell-ion, the battery life expect around 4 to 5 hours of moderate usage before needing to recharge. Lenovo ThinkPad H1 Carbon Gen 11 comes with various ports including USB 3.2, Type-C, HDMI, and headphone/microphone jacks. Bluetooth compatibility and the most recent Wi-Fi standard are examples of the wireless connectivity. Lenovo ThinkPad H1 Carbon Gen 11 is a solid choice for you use normal. It is not a good choice for gamer and designer. Before you buy, think carefully about yourself.